For 6 months we have faced invasion, but here, at Albion, we will make our stand.
Welcome to the January 2018 update for Kalidasia Media Productions. I'm Jason, the creator of the Kalidasia universe. And yes, I know it's not January anymore. We're already, a week or so into February. But there's a good reason this update is delayed, and let's start with those right now. The first one here is the release of the Surakari Hydrus Miniature for Legends of Kalidasia. With the release of this resin and 3D printed kit, all original 6 miniatures from the Kalidasia miniature line have been refreshed, and it's time to move on to new things miniature-wise. We'll see more about that at the end of this video. Now, the second big reason here, of course, is going to be the release of Albion Under Siege, the first expansion for Kalidasia Flett Commander, which introduces the planets of Albion 8, Cadre 3, gives you about 20 new tokens, so additional warships for bigger battles, as well as 5 new command cards. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trailer for this game right now.
Operation Octavius has failed. Galen 6 has been destroyed. But this is our empire, and we will not take one more step back!
Well, there you go. That is the trailer for Albion Under Siege, and that expansion can be purchased over at Kalidasia.com in our online store. Now, I mentioned just a moment ago when I was talking about the Surakari Hydrus, I had one more miniature thing to show off for you guys today. And that is the next miniature that's going to be coming out a little bit later this year, and that is the new Surakari Virgo missile boat. Now, of course, in first edition of Legends of Kalidasia, the Virgo was known as the Surakari missile boat, or plasma missile boat, but now, just like all the other warships, it's got its official class name, which is the Virgo. Sometime now, you'll be able to get a beta copy of the second edition card for the Virgo if you purchase the original miniature for the Surakari frigate. However, later this year, with the official release of the new Surakari Virgo Miniature, this card is going to be coming out of beta, and you're going to use it in all your standard games of Heroes of the Aragul. So I want to thank you guys for watching this January update for Kalidasia Media Productions. For the next little bit here, you're going to see a lot about the Kolith Guard as a ramp up production of that to get those guys into second edition. But if you followed me here on Twitch.tv over at twitch.tv/RockerRobotics and watched some of those things, you probably also know that I've been working on a short film for Legends of Kalidasia. I've been kind of slowly upgrading the costume behind me here, so expect to see some previews of that over the next few months as well. So once again, I'm Jason. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.
For 6 months we have faced invasion, but here, at Albion, we will make our stand.